In the cold silence of the wilderness, beneath the pale glow of the moon, a haunting howl echoes across the land. It is the voice of the wolf. From the frozen forests of Alaska to the endless wilds of Canada, wolves have survived for thousands of years. Feared and misunderstood, yet they are among the most intelligent and loyal animals on Earth. Because a wolf's true strength does not lie in its teeth, it lies in the pack. A wolf pack is not just a hunting group, it is a family. Led by a breeding pair, the pack includes parents, offspring, and younger wolves learning to survive. Each member has a purpose. Some lead, some follow, some protect the young. Together, they move as one. Their teamwork makes them one of nature's most efficient predators. When hunting large prey like elk or deer, wolves rely on strategy, not just speed. They observe carefully, searching for weakness. Then, working together, they chase their target over long distances. They do not rush blindly. They exhaust their prey. One wolf leads the chase, another cuts off escape. Others wait for the perfect moment. Every movement is coordinated. Every action supports the group. Because alone, survival is difficult. Together, survival is possible. But the pack is not only about hunting, it is about protection and loyalty. Pups are guarded and cared for by the entire pack. Injured wolves are rarely abandoned. Bonds are strengthened through play, touch, and the powerful howl that connects them across vast distances. That howl is a message, a signal of unity, a warning to rivals, a call to family. Wolves also play a vital role in maintaining nature's balance. In Yellowstone National Park, the return of wolves restored harmony to the ecosystem. By controlling prey populations, forests began to recover, rivers changed, birds and other animals returned. The presence of wolves brought life back to the land. Yet for centuries, wolves were hunted and driven away, seen as threats rather than essential guardians of the wild. But today, conservation efforts are helping them return, slowly restoring what was lost. Because the wolf is more than a predator. It is a symbol of unity, resilience, and trust. As night falls, the pack gathers once again. One wolf raises its head, and the others follow. Their voices rise together, echoing through the darkness, not as individuals, but as one. Because in the wild, the pack is not just survival. The pack is power.